In this game, the player needs to unscramble randomly selected words 10 times. The words are scrambled and picked from a list that is in the scene's initialize on scene start. The guest label should be cleared when you click the X button.
Okay, so hang on. This was a little bit complicated. So let's make it simple for our users to understand. So this is a game. How do I play the game?
So you should unscramble a word.
Got it. So I press start. I get a scrambled word, and I need to unscramble it.
Yes, you need to unscramble it.
Okay, let's do that.
So let's see. This one would be cache, I believe. So if you got that right, then they would do that.
Oh, cool.
And there's 9 words left. If you just let's say you just don't know, and you just type random. If you want to clear it, you click this X button.
Okay. All right. So what do you think this one is?
That's random, I believe.
That is random. Okay, let's try. Interesting. Okay, so speaking of random, how do the words appear? Do you have a random list of words?
Yes. It's in the initialize when scene start in the scene. It's automatically in there when you start the project.
Oh, I see. So you have a hard-coded list of words,
yes,
and then you randomly choose one.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay, cool. All right, so can you show us, so this sounds fairly complex, so can you show us some of your code?
So for this one, I use a function to get a new word.
Okay.
What it does is it sets the words, and then it grabs a random one out of the word. So this right here, this would grab, let's say this is 17. This would grab the 17th thing in this list.
Got it.
So
why does it say if this dot words left is greater than 1? Would the list ever be less than 1?
Because if it is less than 1, then it triggers the winning animation.
So you have a number of words, you got to do like 10 words.
You have to,
and it checks. Okay.
The player needs to unscramble randomly selected words 10 times to win.
So where does it decrement words left? Because obviously it has to count down.
So let's see, I have somewhere. Forgot where I put it.
Interesting. So it's words. So that means words left would have to be a global variable.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
I forgot where to put it.
There you go. Just those words left.
Oh yeah, it's in the letters, isn't it?
Oh, every letter.
Yeah. I just copy and pasted it. Let's mess up. Yeah, here it is. So if the new text is the same as whatever, then it will do the animation thingy that I made, and then after 600 milliseconds, it will get a new word, and it removes one from the amount of words left.
Okay, you mentioned there's some animation. What's the animation?
Well, it's not really an animation, it's just waiting. So let's see. This one's probably variable.
You've obviously seen these words before, because I'm looking, I was like, what is that?
I think I messed up. Oh, I just actually stopped the scene, didn't I? Oh, this one's network, I believe. So once you would do that, let's see if I can get lucky here in the
program.
Yeah.
I got one.
This one's program. I misspelled it. Misspelled it again. See, that's why we have an X button.
There you go. Oh, that's the animation. Okay, got it. How do you think you can improve this game?
I don't know. I removed the check mark button, and I made it automatically do it.
Okay, so instead of you would have to click a check mark to submit, instead of that it just auto submits when the word is right.
Yes.
So that means it would be checking. It would be checking for the correct word every time you enter a letter.
Yes.
That's pretty cool.
I did that because first of all, it was easier. Second of all, I think it's better.
Interesting. What if you had to set it up where instead of clicking with the mouse, you can actually just type in the letters?
If you were to do that, you probably would do something similar to. I'll write save code. If I think it's this dot is if it's key press. I believe.
So you do is key press and you would check for each key, and depending on the key, you
I
would
actually
just
forgot how to do that. But
yeah. No. I mean, you can always look it up, but that's on the right path, right? You would check each key. If it's the right key, then you would just check the key that's pressed, and you would just put the letter in there.
Yeah,
works. That's pretty cool.
That would be a lot of copy and pasting, though. I mean, it was a lot of copy and pasting for this too, except all I had to change in each one was that's the wrong one. I had to change in this one was this letter right here.
Okay.
So I just have to copy and paste it for all 26 letters in the alphabet.
Yeah.
And
I actually think the other way might have been easier because then you wouldn't have to check if it's G. You would just check what letter was entered.
Yeah.
It would tell you it's G, and then you would know what to do based on that.
Actually, that is exactly what it does. It adds G to the sequence, and then it checks like if it's correct.
Okay, cool. So what did you learn from this project?
That it's really important to look at other previous projects because heck, this was hard.
All right, awesome. Yes. What do you have to say to other ninjas who are just getting onto Orange Belt or just starting to do this project? What would you tell them?
Good luck because this project is pain.
All right, good job, man.
Okay.